pinalo ang put.
Oh my God. Taas ang sipa ko, no?
Oo, taas, man.
Grabe, no?
15 stories.
Pero wala apekto.
Tinalo mo yung slingshot bungee. Oo, tayo. Mas malakas ang sipa mo sa bungee. Yung sabi.
Holy shit!
Kaya ang poste
Nice,
to. Baliktad na poste. Isang buto, isang laman. Si Perde yung buto. Ano ba yung... Anong ulam yun? Yung... Sa baka, yung baka na...
Spare ribs.
Spare ribs. Spare ribs. Ito yung buto. Focus ko. Buto. Ito yung laman. Ngayon, ito yung kutsara.
Nagkakulit tayo.
Yun, oh. Oh, tayo na.
Yeah, madam!
This is Insomnia, Hong Kong.
And Mark, this is Insomnia, Hong Kong. As well.
We are here because we're not there. Okay? This
That's
is my
our friend
friend.
also.
Yeah. This earthquake. There's an earthquake. Oh my God, the earthquake. Intensity 74. Oh my God. Help. What's going on? This is the result after work. Always the same. But we are happy. You know why we're happy?
Why?
Because we're not sad. Huh? Shut up. Shut up and listen. Listen. Don't watch. Just listen. Oh. Okay, me too.
Smile.
Smile. Yeah, wasted time. We are wasted. Yeah, wasted time. Iron Maiden. Sabi nila, Iron Maiden. This is he used to be a Filipino drummer, but now he's a Malaysian.
You mean you don't eat pork anymore? You mean
No.
pork anymore? It's not allowed to eat
No,
pork
he
anymore?
cannot. Because
You're dead, man.
if he eat pork, it's okay. Where are you going? He's coming.